here's what I kind of want for you. You may have to like go off pattern grid a bit just to make it look nice and have it all cohesive. End that row with a group of 3. So take out that random post that's all by its lonesome and just end with a double crochet stitch. Like if there's a stitch space for it that you have in your row, just give it its stitch space. For me, I didn't. So I needed to merge that last post and the last double crochet together in that same stitch.
Okay. So I may not have to do that.
You may not have to do that.
Okay. I'll play with that and see.
And honestly, and that's all I care about. That's all I care about is I want you to like it to make sense for you. And I want it to look good too.
Right.
So take out that last random post stitch, end with a double crochet. Maybe you only have 191 stitches per row. I don't care as long as the pattern is working.
As long as it's 3 and 3, 3 and 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you for asking. I honestly wish more people that were doing this temperature blanket could be here and listening to that question, because I think a lot of people have that question, but they're just not here. And I would love for more people to be here in this group so that way they could get the most help possible and have the best experience possible as well.